What's the sine of theta? Oh, wasn't that a lot easier? Doesn't that suck? Math sucks, doesn't it? So, let's see here. Cosine theta over sine squared theta, that is now dt over t squared, or how about t to the minus 2 dt? So that's going to be minus 1 over t, evaluated from rad 3 over 2 to 2 rad 2 over 3, which is equal to positive 1 over t, evaluated from 2 rad 2 over 3 to rad 3 over 2. And that is, since we're just doing reciprocals, 2 over rad 3 minus 3 over 2 rad 2. Now, I may be asking for exact answers, but this is not an algebra class. You do not have to simplify to the degree I'd make those poor little guys do it, right? We wouldn't let them leave radicals in the denominator. We'd make them add the fractions, but you can stop there. You gave me an exact answer. I now know that you could easily crank that into a calculator and give me an approximation. So I'm cool with that. Now, aren't you guys upset about these limits of integration? Somebody tell me a way around that. How could I have blown all that off?
Don't do it to the end.
Huh?
Don't do it to the end.
Don't do it at all. Just go back to the original variable. So I end up with 1 over t evaluated from who cares to what? Well, let's see. If we go back, what was t? T is sine, so I guess I'm really integrating or evaluating 1 over sine theta evaluated from who cares to what? And what was sine theta? See, now I can go back to x's, and then I can have 2 to 3. So tell me, what was sine theta so that I can find x?
Secant.
You didn't know. Very good. You knew what secant theta was. What's secant theta? What is secant theta?
X.
X. So that says cosine theta is 1 over x. So how are you going to find the sine of theta now? In other words, you can't get away from this no matter what you do. Right, here's theta. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. This is the square root of x squared minus 1. Sine theta would be this radical over x. We have, yeah.
Can you use arc secant? It's like secant minus 1, and then you have theta. Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. I don't know, I'm asking.
Well, this is the cosecant.
No, if you have secant theta equals x.
You can, I think this will be a little easier, but you can try to do that. We could also, if I'm allowing approximations, that would have made your life really easy, because then you just throw a decimal in here. Which, of course, is why I don't want approximations. I'm not trying to make your life easy, I'm trying to make it difficult. So then this turns into, well, rad x over rad x squared minus 1, and we're evaluating it now from where to where? 2 to 3. So it looks like that's 3 over rad 8 minus 2 over rad 3, which is 3 over 2 rad 2 minus 2 over rad 3. Oh, well, I got a minus sign out of place there somewhere. But I'll let you guys worry about what happened there. I trust this answer more. Anyway, you see, you really can't escape from any of this stuff. It's kind of like just goes nature of the beast. Question?